If you're looking for the Bluehost free trial, here's exactly how to get it. Right now, Bluehost offers a 3-day free trial for its AI website builder, allowing you to build and customize a WordPress website before deciding whether you'd like to purchase a hosting plan. In this video, I'll show you how to access the Bluehost free trial, explain what's included, and cover a few important things you should know before getting started. I've also included a link in the description below that takes you directly to Bluehost's free trial page. Just so you know, it's an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you decide to upgrade later. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's get started. Click the link in the description below. You'll be taken directly to the Bluehost AI website builder free trial page. Unlike many website builders, you don't need to enter payment information to begin the trial. Bluehost lets you try the AI website builder first before deciding whether you'd like to purchase a plan. The first step is describing a website you'd like to build. Simply type a short description of your business, blog, portfolio, or website idea. For example, I want a website for my local landscaping business, or I want to create a personal portfolio. You could also upload your logo if you already have one, although this is optional. Once you're ready, click Get Started. Bluehost AI will then ask a few questions about your website, your business, and the style you're looking for before generating your site automatically. Next, you'll choose your website name, what type of business, what brand or site colors you'd like, what mood or visual style you want for your site, define your brand's look, and lastly, create your account. Within a short time, Bluehost AI creates a complete WordPress website with pages, layouts, images, and content already in place. Instead of starting with a blank page, you'll have a professionally designed website that's ready to customize. Once your site has been generated, you can begin editing it. You can change text, replace images, add new sections, remove sections, change colors, update fonts, add pages, customize your navigation. Since the website is built on WordPress, you're creating an actual WordPress website, not a closed website builder platform. That means you own your content and can continue customizing your site as it grows. So what exactly do you get during the Bluehost free trial? Currently, the free trial includes one AI-generated website, a temporary website address, free SSL certificate, weekly backups, built-in security, WooCommerce support, 5 AI edits, full access to test the AI website builder. This gives you plenty of time to see how the builder works before deciding whether it's the right fit for your website. The Bluehost AI website builder free trial currently lasts 3 days. During that time, you can build and customize your website without paying. If you decide you'd like to publish your website using your own domain, you'll simply upgrade to a paid Bluehost plan before the trial expires. If you decide to continue, Bluehost lets you upgrade directly from your dashboard. After upgrading, you'll be able to publish your website, connect your own domain, continue editing your site, unlock additional AI edits, access premium features included with your hosting plan. Your work from the free trial carries over, so you won't need to rebuild your website from scratch. If you've never built a website before, Bluehost AI Website Builder is one of the easiest ways to get started. Instead of designing everything manually, the AI builds a personalized WordPress website based on your answers, saving a significant amount of time. It's especially useful for small businesses, freelancers, bloggers, local businesses, personal portfolios, anyone wanting a WordPress website without starting from scratch. That's how to get the Bluehost free trial. If you'd like to start building your own website, I've included the Bluehost free trial link in the description below so you can access the latest offer. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bluehost tutorials, WordPress tutorials, and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.